Ko te kaitiakitanga te kaupapa. Ko ngā iwi maha o tīkapa moana tērā e whakaheke wera ana e ora i tō rātou ipukarea.
We've put in over 150 tonnes of kutai back into the ocean to restore those ancient seabeds. Now for our whānau at home, what does 150 tonnes mean? Well, that's about 33 million kutai.
For too long, this whole beautiful area out here has had things done to it that no one's really taken time to not only record, monitor, but find solutions to really what has been humans taking and not really giving back a lot.
E hia ke nei ngā tau e mahi pēnei ana ngā iwi o te moana nui a toi e whakapaipai nei e whakarauora ana hoki I tō rātou moana.
If you look at some of the bottom of the moana, it's like a sludgy mud. Other ways we can do this, as I've found recently, is dropping mussel shells on the bottom just to give that structure or habitat for sea life to come back. Other things that are quite challenging, kinnibarren. We're certainly looking at remediating those areas because they have a really detrimental effect.
Right now, international best practice standards is 30% marine protection. We're at around 18% through the passing of the Hauraki Gulf Tikapa Moana Protection Bill, which is now the Act. Fantastic, but we are certainly not at 30%. Just because we're past the bill doesn't mean that we sit back and go, job done. The job is far from being done.
Ko te pire e kōrerotia nei kua whai mana I tērā wiki nā te minita whakawhanake Māori I kōkiri ki Pāremata. Te kaumāiwa katoa ngā wāhi kua rāhuitia ki runga o tīkapa moana nei. Aha kua he nui te koa I tēnei pire kua whai mana, ara tonu ngā ngaru nui ka pā atu ki ngā iwi maha o tīkapa moana.
E tahi wāhi ririki I āmenengia, I whakawātengia tonungia ai. Te huarahi kia hauhau tonu ai ngā tāngata kaipākihi ika. Ke riro mai a rātou he mea, he ika ngā mau o te moana, he hoko mā rātou I roto I te hotoke ki te hunga kai ika I roto I te tonga ki tāmaki makaurau. Engari mo te wahanga ki ngā hapu me te mana whenua e kōrerotia mai ana e koe ki wainga tonu I tēnā pito o te moana, e utonu anō o rātou pānga mo te wahanga ki ngā pānga mātaitai.
The two areas that have been carved out for a little bit of commercial fishing, I think there has been a little bit of an outrage about that. It seems to be in direct conflict with what we're trying to achieve.
One of the other real concerning elements, though, of the bill was the removing of whānau and hapu as being consulted around our moana space itself. Now, that in itself is a really porangi idea, to be honest, because when, as Māori, we are all whānau. Whether you're an iwi, whether you're a hapu, at the base of who we are whānau. So, and whānau are always the first to the call of action.
Heoi anō rā, ka kōkiritia tonu ngā mahi whakarauora I te moana.
We need to ensure that we're doing more restoration work. So this next decade is about regeneration.
We'll continue to do what we've always done, and that's to make sure the whenua and the moana is healthy. Because as you know, if that's healthy, we're healthy.
We as Māori, as tangata whenua, we must live to the promise that all of our mana atua expect of us, and that's do the mahi and look after those taonga.